Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in yesterday's video we made these cute little faux specimen cards, and I told you, make sure not to throw away your little cutouts because we could do something with those. And so I figured we may as well work on something now. So let me grab them out of my basket and off of my desk and anywhere else that they are. That was a snowman I was cutting out, so we might can use it, who knows. So I am just gathering these big pieces like that. Okay, now there's a couple of different things that we can do. If you remember, here, it's been a little while back, Melina done some circle clusters as part of her scrap buster, so we can definitely do something like that. I think we will do at least one or two, maybe like that. So I'm just going to ink these up a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and ink a few of them up while I've already got the ink out. So I hope all of you guys are doing well. I've had a few people ask about my uncle. He's stable. He's in the hospital. So hopefully things will be okay. He did have his sense of humor back by the time the ambulance picked him up. He had wore black to church. He said it was a good day to wear black. I told him I was going to hurt him. I said, when you get to feeling better and you're not hurting, I'm going to hurt you. So, I mean, it was good that he had a sense of humor back. So, I don't know why I'm inking this up, but if there's any white edge showing, it'll get rid of that. Okay, so now I can put this out of the way. Now, let me grab, I have some book pages down here, and I should have already pulled them, and I apologize that I did not. So there's some book pages, and I'm just looking to see what else I have in here. And I got some of that. That ought to be enough for now. That'll get us going. Okay, so I'm just going to take a piece of this book page, and I'm just going to tear it. And I do need my ink still, so I don't know why I even tried to put it up, because I was being goofy. So I can put that there. And I don't know, I like this, so let's maybe put a little piece of this. Ink it up a little bit. And then I could go in with something like that. Let's do this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and just start gluing it down. And I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac, because y'all know that's just what I kind of always go to. And I'm just putting it down. And there we go. There's one of them. Okay, so let's maybe do another one. Let's see. Let's go with some more book page. I think I like that. So there's some book page. So we can put some book page down. Now we did have some of the vellum left over. We had some little vellum pieces. So let's see what I've done with that. Well, here's a little piece right here. We could tear some of that. Just tear it a little bit, get rid of that. And I don't care that my words are not, you know, that it's taller than it is wide. I'm fine with that. So I can put that there. And then I could even do that. Yeah, so see, we can use all of this up pretty quickly and have some cute little clusters to go in our journals. And, you know, we're getting rid of some scraps, which is always a good thing. Especially for me. Y'all should see, oh my God, I've got way too many scraps. And look at that. We are on a roll, guys. Woo! I better hush, because just sure as I say that, I'm gonna like hit a snag and be like, I don't know what to do now. All right, so let's just keep going. You know what? Let me see. I have these. I'm not gonna use those because they had the snowman on them. So let's just maybe steal one piece of that. Maybe something like that. We can even take a piece of the head off of the other one. Y'all, I'm ruthless. And then we could even, let me see. Don't I have some more labels? I think I need something to break that up though. So let's go with, well, there's another little piece of vellum. Let's go with that. So we're just gonna, I mean, you know, that's the fun part of a junk journal is there's no rules whatsoever. There's nothing that says that it has to be a certain way, a certain direction. There's nothing that says you have to use a certain number of items or nothing like that. So it is just, it's simply fun. That's all there is to it. And then I think I'm going to do that. And I'm going to ink it up. Actually, I might do the one that says magical, because it's red and it will stand out. Yep. Okay, so let me ink some stuff up. That's all I'm doing. And then we have this. So yeah, you can just use your scraps for just about anything you want to do. All right, so now let's just glue some stuff down. All right, and now let's put this down. And there we go. We have another one. So let's maybe make one or two more while I'm on a roll. And let's see what all we have over here. We have the sports ticket that we could, I'll tear maybe one end of it. Make it like that. So I'm going to put that there. Oh, look, I forgot I had done these snowflakes. We might save the snowflakes for something else. I'm just trying to see what all I can put down here. Yeah, I could do that, the sports arena and the Christmas spirit thing. Because that's what it normally is around our house. Especially Thanksgiving, that's when all the good games are. So we're always, Thanksgiving is all about that. After we get done eating and everybody's ready to crash. So I'm just going to do it just like that. I mean, it don't have to make sense. So we're going to do it. We're just going to put it down. And then put this down here. And there we go. We have another one. Now let's see. What else do we have? Just trying to see what all I have in here that I can do. That's a cute stamp. This is a little bag I made the other day. I was sewing. This one, I didn't put any stabilizer behind it, so it kind of flops over. But the other one I put stabilizer behind it, so it does real good. This is the one I done with the stabilizer. See, it stands up, super easy. Okay, so this is junk journaling, not sewing. All right, so let's see. Let's just go back in. I've got several different things I can choose from here. Let's just go back with our normal. Let's go with another piece of book page here. I like that. And then one can go in with this. And that's, I mean, it's so easy. It's very simple, which is good for me. I like simple. I really like simple because it makes it where I don't have to think so hard. I think I'm going to put that on there. Why not? I think it'll look cute. There we go. And we have another one. Okay. So do I have anything I can do with this snowflake? I don't know. But I want to do something with it. So let's see what we can figure out. If I put it there, I can put the snowflake. I put that there, I put the snowflake there, and then maybe, I don't know, I can't even think. All right, well, I think that may be it for now because I don't want to, I do have to get going, but I did want to jump on here and just show you guys what we can do with these. So whenever you make your specimen cards, do not throw these away. Make sure you save them. Oh, let me show you one other thing that we can do with them. Hopefully I got enough. If I don't, I'll make more. Okay. I am just going to use a piece of this because 6 inches is fun. And I am just going to cut me off a 1 inch. I may do, yeah, let's do just 1 inch. So I'm just cutting off a 1 inch strip. All right, and I have already inked these, so we're good there. So what we can do is stack them like this, and we have a belly band. And the way that it is, it's this neat looking belly band, and we can even embellish the belly band even more. But how cool is that? It's a very simple, easy idea. It's just using up your scraps. And this dummy just went and put it all over that, forgetting about the fact that I needed to put it on here. So don't do that. Okay, so there we go. I mean, and then we could take, if we wanted to, we could take some of our Christmas stuff here. Let's see, we can put that down. I'm going to put glue on here so I don't do the same thing I just did. Of course, it ain't going to matter because it's fun. We can put that down. And then we could put, don't I have something else Christmassy? I know I do. Probably left it over here. But anyway, you get the idea. We could even put our snowflake down there. Yes, there we go. I found a use for a snowflake. So we can put our snowflake down. Okay, so see, I'm happy now. I got to use my snowflake because I wanted to use it. And anything else we got that we can put down in here? I think that should do. That's plenty. How about that? We'll put that down. Why was I inking the back of it? Lord help me. And there's that. So now we also have a belly band. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I am going to get off of here for today. I have some stuff I have to do. I've got to get going. Always something going on, but I did want to take a few minutes and get on here and just show you guys a few more things that we can do with some of our offcuts from making our specimen cards. So let me pull those out. Let me show you what all we have over here. I'm just trying to clean some of this up because it drives me crazy. Cannot stand it when it gets like this. Okay, so yesterday we made these. We made these cute little specimen cards with vellum. And from the cuts of that, today we have made all of this. Just some simple little ephemera for our journals. So we have a belly band, and then we have a couple of little circle clusters. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.